And of course, this is the last step. So, tatry na natin. This is Quarcery Lip Balm Cat Claw Lipstick. So, tatry na natin. So guys, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na hindi talaga nagli-lip balm everyday. So, pag na-feel ko na parang nagtitighten yung lips ko or nakikita ko na maraming lines, tsaka lang ako nagli-lip balm. So, ayan, titry na natin to guys. Ay! Kiki. So, ayan, titry na natin to guys. Kaya cat claw kasi may paa dyan ng pusa. Charot. Talagang literal paa ng pusa. So, papakita ko sa inyo. And then, of course, eto na. So, ayan na siya guys. So, lip balm. And then, pwede rin siya lipstick mo na rin, 'di ba? Kasi may color naman siya eh. So, pwede siyang alone, pwede siya before your lipstick, and of course, pwede din siya at night as your lip mask. So i-leave mo lang siya overnight para soft and supple yung lips mo kinabukasan. And then a good thing about this, guys, this is actually hydrating, and it has a plumping properties. So, magpo-plump up yung lips nyo. And at the same time, temperature-sensitive color change. So, meaning to say, when you're in a hot weather or na-expose kayo sa sun, so, mas nagda-darken yung color. So, mas nag-e-intense yung color niya dyan. And then, actually, customize your exclusive lip color. Oh, alam niyo ba yon? Ibig sabihin nun, it reacts to the pH of your skin, so it doesn't appear the same on different people. So, halimbawa, yung friend mo, ginamit nyo to, hindi kayo magkapareho ng lip color kasi nagdi-depend yun sa pH ng skin nyo. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng customize your exclusive lip color. So, alright! Ganda, no? And it has firming and anti-wrinkle properties din. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? Kung gusto nyo laging soft and supple yung lips nyo, eto na yung gamitin nyo. And by the way guys, kailangan talaga natin ng lip balm. Kasi alam nyo kung bakit? As we grow older, yung lips natin, hindi lang yung skin natin ang nagda-darken. Kumbaga, hindi lang yung skin natin na nagkakaroon ng spots or nagda-darken. So, pati rin ng ating lips, as much as possible, yung may SPF para, ayan, maprotektahan lalo yung lips nyo. So, hindi siya arte. And this is hybrid lip balm and lipstick na siya in one. So, skincare and lipstick na siya in one. Click the yellow basket. So, this is temperature-sensitive color change. So, meaning to say when you're exposed in the light, when you're exposed in sunlight, or nasa labas kayo guys, hot weather, so mag-i-intensify yung color. So, mas magda-dark yung color niya kesa dyan. So guys, one of these days, itatry natin tong Quarcery Lip Balm Cat Claw Lipstick outside para makita natin kung ano yung magiging color niya, kung magda-dark ba talaga siya. So, wait nyo guys, one of these days, we'll try.